In this video, we will talk about how to use Apple gift card on Roblox. So, for example, if you want to use that, if you have $50 or $100, what you can do on your gift card is you can head over to your Apple store and then you can click on the redeem gift card right around here and order to actually redeem the value of your gift card. And once you have redeemed your gift card, you can head over right here to your Roblox and then click on this Roblox right here. Now you can see in here the price of what it entails. So just choosing here a price, and then once you have chosen here a price, next thing you need to do is you need to secure the payment. So as you can see, it will ask for a payment type of credit card, debit, PayPal, card, and other. You click on this other right here, and then once you have done that, this will load into a new page that will show you this one. So just wait for this, and as you can see, depending on your country, you can actually redeem using your actual Apple gift card or your Apple Pay. So just make sure that the Apple card or the Apple Pay is supported in your country. As for me, on the Philippines, it's actually not supported, so I won't be able to use that. But if you have right here an actual payment method for that, you can head over and use it. This is how you use Apple gift card on Roblox. Hope we help.